สวัสดีครับ Welcome to my day channel. I'm Jim. Back to the kitchen. And today we will make three famous dipping sauce in Thailand. The first one is seafood. Second one is Thai spicy sauce or nam jim jao. And the last one is chili fish sauce or prik nam pa. It's very easy to make it, okay? And it's very useful, very tasty. When you're ready, let's get started. We will start with seafood first, okay? You pour fish sauce in, and then sugar, a lot of sugar, okay? And then mix it first. Yes, try to dissolve it, okay? Yes, beautiful. Keep mixing. And then lime juice, just pour it in. Oh, I think I've got sugar, more sugar, oh I like sugar. Put it in, yes, and then mix it. Okay, try to dissolve it first. Yep. And then this one is pickled garlic, okay? We use only the juice or the water inside. I think you can buy it from Chinese grocery. This one is optional. It's enhance the flavor. If you don't have it, you can skip it. But if you have it, it tastes so good, okay? Just put it in. And then mix it well. It's like MSG, enhance the flavor, but in good way. Yes, mix it well. No, it smells so good already. Woo. All right, and then set it aside. And then it's time to smash. Coriander root. All right, if you don't have it, you can use like a stem. If you have the root, use the root. This one is the best. Okay, smash it first. And then garlic, and then crack it. I like to smash, the veggies first because it gives you the small smell. Yes. Keep going, smash it first. Yes. Cool. Oh, smells so good. And then the chili, okay? I use bird's eye chili. It gives you more smell. But if you don't have, you can use Thai chili. It's okay, but this one is the best. Mostly I use the green one, and then I put some red one in to get like a spot inside, make it pretty. Put it in. Yes, put it all, and then smash it. You don't have to make it too fine, okay? Because we will blend it later. This one is just like, more smell. Give you more smell. Oh yes, smell of the bird's eye. Woo, smells so strong. Yes, keep going. Yes, a little bit more. Put your palm cover, okay? Otherwise, chili can get into your eyes. But I wear glasses, so it's okay. Yep. Little bit more. Back to smashing again. Like in curry. Or curry is more work. Oh, smells so good. Okay, I think should be okay. You know, give you the smell already. All right, and then you put into the blender. Put it here. I need a spoon. Where's my spoon? Cool. Scoop everything in. Yes, try to get it all. Oh, smells so good. Yes. Okay, set it aside and then you pour all the sauce in. Mix it a little bit more. Got sugar, still more sugar inside. Still more sugar. Yes, and then just pour it in. Yes. Scoop it down. Set it aside. Put the cap on. And then blend it. Around 20 to 30 seconds should be okay. Let me see. Yes, not too fine for this one, okay? Take it out. Cool. Let me see first. Oh, yes. Ooh, smells so good. And then put into the bowl. Okay, put into the bowl. You look at this. Oh, yes. Ooh. I think it has to be very spicy. So, I'll try it first. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's so yum. Oh, and then spicy. Woo. Okay, let's start next one. Thai spicy sauce or nam jim jiao. Okay, Thai spicy sauce or nam jim jiao. Super easy. You need fish sauce, all right, and then you put palm sugar in. I like to use palm sugar because you know it gives you like a different sweet. You can use sugar cane also, but for me, for this one, I prefer palm sugar. All right, and then tamarind sauce, or you can use like a lime juice also. But for me, I prefer tamarind for this one. Let's put it in. And then mix it. Crush it. Okay, mix it well. Try to dissolve palm sugar. This one is harder. You know, for palm sugar. Try to dissolve it all. Don't use the heat, Use your hand manually. Just keep going. Yes, until no more palm sugar. Yeah, keep going, keep going a little bit more. Oh, it smells so good. This one, you will get the smell of the fish sauce, okay? Okay, and then this one, remember this? Roasted rice, okay, from lab. Put it in. Not too much. Okay, give you like a more smell and the texture, the sandy texture. And this one is spring onion. And then you mix it well. And the last one is chili flake. How much is up to you, okay? Just put it in, and then you mix it well. Ooh, yes, beautiful chili flake. You know it has to be spicy, but you can control it when you make it by yourself, okay? Yeah, that's it. And then try it. Oh yeah. Oh yum 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 yum. All right, let's make the last one. Okay, the last one is what? Chili fish sauce or pig nampa. It's very easy. You need fish sauce and chili and garlic. Okay, I use chili patties also, or bird's eye chili, but slice it fine. Okay, but if you don't have it, you can use Thai chili. It's okay. Just pour it in. Yep. And then put a little bit of lime juice in. No, not too much. And sugar, a little bit, just a little bit. And then you just mix it well. Why we put sugar and lime juice in? You know they have more flavor, but just a little bit. This one is like fish sauce dominant, all right? Mix it well, and then you just leave it at least half an hour to 1 hour before you have it, or you can leave it overnight. And then that's it. Very easy. Okay, let's talk about these three things a little bit, okay? Seafood, you know what it's used for, right? For seafood dipping, or you can pour it on fish, deep fried fish or steamed fish. Oh, it's so yum. Or you can dip it with pork cracker also. This one is so yum, okay? For nam jim jiao or Thai spicy sauce, we use it as with the grilled pork. You know, we use the neck normally, or beef. It's okay, it's very, very, very good. You can use it for fried chicken also, or grilled chicken. But normally, we don't put tamarind or lime juice in if you want to eat it with the chicken, okay? You can try buy KFC and skip the ketchup and then, you know, dip it in here. So yum, I tried already, okay? And the last one is pig nampa or chili fish sauce, right? Normally, how we eat it, right? We scoop only chili and garlic, and then you pour it on to the rice to add more flavor, okay? We don't use like like this. But some people, if they want it a little bit salty, just a little bit of fish sauce in is okay, okay? This one is like a condiment for Thai people. You can see in every restaurant in Thailand, okay, for this one. And a little bit more with the pig nampa or chili fish sauce, okay? When you finish all the chili, right? Don't throw the fish sauce away. Just redo it again, Slice chili and garlic and put it in, and then leave it. And then you can have it more. You can use it, I think not more than 1 week, right? 1 week it should be okay for this one, okay? Don't throw it away. When you finish the chili and garlic inside, okay? Keep it, and then you can do it more. Very easy, right? Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Stay safe and wish you were here.